Warning: don't learn these money secrets unless you are ready to change your financial life in America. Because once you hear them, you will realize why millionaires don't want you to know the truth. Secret number 1. Millionaires don't trade hours for dollars. They build passive income streams, investments, businesses, royalties that pay them 24/7. If you are stuck in the paycheck cycle, you are building someone else's dream, not yours. Secret number 2. Debt is leverage. The wealthy use debt to buy assets that grow in value: real estate, stocks, businesses. Average Americans borrow for cars and gadgets. That's the difference between staying broke and building wealth. Secret number 3. Speed creates success. Millionaires act fast, test ideas, and adjust. Waiting for the perfect plan keeps you stuck. Execution today beats perfection tomorrow. These secrets are powerful, but only if you act. Don't just watch, apply them. Subscribe now because your millionaire journey in America starts today.